I grew up loving to cook because family dinner in my house was such a ritual. My mom went back to law school when I was in 4th grade and managed to get dinner on the table every single night. It was only when I became a mother myself that I realized how hard that was to do. I have found so many tricks and tips for getting around the hard parts. I thought maybe if I wrote about those, it might help parents, and it turned out it did. My name is Jenny Rosenstrach. I am a food writer and I write the blog Dinner a Love Story. We discovered pudding because it was the kind of recipe that you always have all the ingredients for. Butter, eggs, sugar, cornstarch, organic milk. We use organic milk all day long in all kinds of recipes. First, you have to whisk together the sugar, cornstarch, and salt in a saucepan. The heat does not have to be on at this point. Then you pour about a 1/4 cup of the milk into that mixture. You whisk it until it becomes like a smooth paste. Then you whisk in the remaining organic milk and your egg yolks until it becomes this beautiful buttery yellow color. And then you turn on the heat. You want to keep it on low for most of it and just stirring the whole time with a wooden spoon until it coats the spoon. Once it's bubbling, like a lazy bubble, then you remove it from heat and you can stir in the butter and the vanilla extract. Some recipes call for more butter. It's never going to be a bad thing, but 1 tablespoon makes it nice and silky. Then you want to scrape the pudding into 4 individual bowls. You want it to cool a little bit before you do this, but also you don't want it to set in the pot either. So when it's reasonably cool, pour it into the bowls. When you cover the bowls, you want to make sure the plastic wrap is on the surface of the pudding. Otherwise, the steam will cause condensation and then it will drip down and ruin the consistency of it. Then you want to refrigerate it until it's well chilled. So the best thing about this snack is choosing your toppings. My personal favorite is just a straight up tropical fruit mixture. So depending on what time of year it is, I will do mangoes, apricot, blueberries, peaches. I love shaved dark chocolate. Sometimes I'll just do fresh bananas with Nilla Wafers. I also love toasted coconut. On very special days, when we have pound cake, we turn the pudding into an icebox cake. You just layer your pound cake, alternating with the vanilla pudding, and then you top the whole thing with fresh whipped cream, and you freeze for a couple hours. Sprinkle it with your toppings, and then it all melds together into this packed, sweet, delicious dessert. It's casual and it's fun, and it goes very, very fast. I love this cake so much because it's so easy and customizable. I love the tropical fruit on it, but you can really put almost anything you want. But I love it when the whipped cream topping thaws just like a tiny bit. No wonder my kids love this.